Thank you, Charlotte, and thank you all for coming. When you come to conferences like this, you see a lot of talks where people brag about their hardware, and they talk about, I have an array of Macs, and it can do convolutions even faster than the other guy. I use analog, or I use XNORs, or I use Winograd instead of regular multiplication. This is not going to be that talk. And it's not going to be that talk because I think there are much more important technical questions to worry about than that one. What I want to do in this talk is to encourage you to rethink some of your assumptions about how machine learning for imaging should be done in the first place, and to challenge some assumptions that don't get challenged often enough as far as I'm concerned. Now, with that said, there's no denying that machine learning has had an unbelievable effect on pretty much every technical discipline, and certainly on machine vision. We see miraculous results in discipline to discipline to discipline. And just to go through a couple of those, the world Go champion is currently a computer, specifically a machine learning system. The translation, the quality of translation, while still iffy, is remarkable. It seems miraculous by the scale of, say, 20 or 25 years ago. The recognition of continuous speech, something that seemed impossible not very many years ago, is of surprisingly high quality these days. Maybe not so much from Siri, but we get halfway respectable recommendations for what books and movies we should be exploring, given the ones that we've seen before. Amazingly enough, machine learning systems are able to colorize pictures and do what I think is an astonishingly good job of it. Here are some examples. There are systems that can generate captions for images and do, again, a startlingly good job. This is something that would have been seen as witchcraft even 20 years ago, and yet is something that is more or less routine now. And the last of the examples I'll show for the moment is we find ourselves being able to have computers that outperform world-class dermatologists for being able to diagnose cancer. So, these and other examples are astonishing, are things we would have considered magic not very many years ago. And to me, of the many amazing things that have been done with technologies like this, the most amazing, perhaps, is that they're being done with essentially the same technology, not just machine learning, but machine learning specifically with deep neural networks, a tremendous advance in our technological civilization. But it's not all roses. And there's a lot that's fragile and a lot that's broken about today's deep learning and today's machine learning-based convolutional neural networks as well.